Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe a song that you are interested in. So the cue card is describe a song that you are interested in. When you speak on this cue card you have to cover the following cues. What is the song? What story does the song tell? What is it about? Whether the song is popular and explain why you think it is interesting. Now, let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, I love listening to music in my leisure time. Some songs are really great, and we like to listen again and again. They put a deep impression on our feelings and thinking. Here, I would like to talk about a Hindi song, Ma, from movie Tare Zameen Par. This song is sung by Shankar Mahadevan. This song depicts the relationship between children with their mothers. Tare's Meeper movie is based on a boy who has difficulty in his studies and daily chores. His father decided to put him in a day boarding school. When parents left the boy at day boarding school, this song was played. In this song, boy asks his mother, is he so bad that they have decided to keep him away? He is talking to his mother. He loves him so much and asks her mother not to live at day boarding school. He says he hides many things from her and cares for her a lot. In the song, it is shown that he feels abandoned and struggles to mix with other students in the school. In this song, one important thing mentioned is that some children are so afraid of their fathers they can't even speak in front of their father. Whenever I listen to this song, my eyes get wet. This is a really wonderful song depicting the relationship of children with their parents. In this movie, it is shown that every child is special, but some children require extra care to take out the best from them. I would recommend everyone should listen to this song once in their life. If you have some time, you must watch Tare Zameen Par movie. So this is the song that is interesting to me. So this was the cue card. Now we will look at some follow-ups for this cue card. Let's begin. Why are many music competitions popular in India? I think people think that they can easily become famous when they reach a music competition. This is somehow true also. Therefore, so many music competitions are popular in India. What kind of music do young people like? Young people mostly like fast and loud music. They love listening to hip hop. It doesn't mean that all young people listen to this kind of music. Young people also listen to romantic music and old traditional songs. What kind of people like traditional music? Mature people and old people like traditional music. Moreover, people who became mature before their age listen to traditional music. People who listen to this kind of music are more composed and calm. What are the differences between live concerts and online concerts? In live concerts, singers perform on the stage and spectators reach the venue and enjoy the performance by standing in front of the stage. People dance together and have fun. On the other side, online concerts are watched on computers and televisions. People can sit with family or they can watch it alone. I think watching online concerts, watching alone is boring. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like our work, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. Thank you for being here.